Hi, Padraig here at McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 202 Toyota Corolla. This is the hybrid Luna model and it's finished in a Celestite grey metallic paint. The car has a low annual road tax of €170 and is taxed up until the end of August. It's sold at 2 free services and the balance of the manufacturer's warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard with daytime running lights. It's got the 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork also. It's got a nice sized spacious boot with protective boot liner, fold on seats for additional space also, lots of legroom in the back, got the ISOFIX on both sides for the car seats, centre armrest with cup holders also. It's finished with a navy and grey cloth interior, centre armrest also in the front and rear electric windows and electric mirrors, automatic headlights, multifunctional steering wheel, built-in cruise control, phone and radio controls also. It's got the dual air conditioning, USB and aux port, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth, automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox with the reversing camera built in also. And there's just over 16,000 kilometres on the clock. At McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options for this car from €105 per week. This Toyota Corolla will make an ideal sized family car. And for more information, please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car and you can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.